Hey, good morning everybody. It's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters and Mosquito Lagoon Sight Fishing Charters. Hope everybody's having a beautiful and wonderful day out there. Thank you for watching. And today I'm going to do a little review. We're going to talk a little bit about a product that was sent to me to check out. And these are ox blocks, trailer jack blocks. And the company sent them to me. I've got a boat trailer, camper trailer, whatever. And these are pretty tough, man. These are pretty cool looking things. 10,000 pounds, which is more than what I need. They sent me a set of 4 of them, so I'm going to go over here and see how they hold my trailer up. I'm going to lower down the trailer on it. Let's see what it looks like and all that kind of good stuff, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, so I've got my trailer up on my jack stand right here, and this is a 22-foot bay boat, single axle trailer. I think everything, the weight of the whole boat is like 4,000 pounds, 5,000 pounds. But I'm going to lower this right now, and let's see how she does. Lowering down onto these 3. I mean, I don't see why it would not hold it if each one's 10,000 pounds. But yeah, there you go. Look at that. Man, that's pretty sturdy. Okay, so there you go. Here's my jack right here that I'm raising up there so you can see that. We'll raise this up. There you go. That worked pretty good. I'll tell you what, that's some pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty sturdy. That's not going anywhere. They sent me 4 of them, so just depending on what your needs are. But I'm actually start using these for when I'm doing long-term storage, and I could lock my my crank hitch here, my wheel hitch, the trailer jack, and lock it in an up position with a padlock or whatever for theft purposes, and to not put the stress on it. But yeah, there you go. You got to get you some of these. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.